Hi folks, today I have my RAV Vast F Astronaut with me. I'm going to show you a really nice gentle meditative pattern on this that works really nice on this scale but will also work for most other scales, which I will demonstrate as well later on in the video. It's nice and simple, and I invite you to keep a nice gentle touch with this one, and it looks like this. So the beauty of this pattern is that we've got no choice but to practice leading with the right hand and then leading with the left, because the chords that we're trying to make, in order to make those patterns work, for the first one we have to lead with the right, the second one we have to lead with the left, which is excellent news because these instruments are cyclical, they're very round, so it's good to get that kind of in your body as early as possible in your playing. Strong right hand, strong left hand. Try and get those hands equal because they both need to do the same amount of work. So the first pattern that we need is within these three notes here, just creating this little triangle shape between these three notes. And we're going to play this. Center tone, first tone, middle tone. And just roll between those. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to play that group of three notes 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. 4, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Keeping it nice and gentle. Then from here, we're going to play right hand on the first note in front of us, and we're just going to walk up the scale 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. Nice and easy. So make sure you've got that. Nice and gentle touch. And then when we put those together, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Let's try that a couple times. I'm just gonna lower the light a little bit because I think we are just a little bit overexposed. Okay, so let's loop this around. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, already you can feel how that just really lulls you into that beautiful meditative state. So from here, we're going to do a very similar thing. We're just going to move that triangle to these 3 notes. So we're still using the center tone, we're still using note 1, but then instead of using note 2, we're going to use note 3. And instead of playing with the right first, I'm going to play with the left first. Right, so we had this before. Right, so our right hand was playing like this, finger, thumb. Now our left hand will play finger, thumb. Right, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now if your left hand is your weaker hand, this might feel a little bit strange at first, so I invite you to just keep practicing that so you can get that rotation in nice and comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Right, and once you've got that, the next run up the scale is actually going to start with the left hand on note 2 here. And again, nice and simple, just move up these 4 notes. So if we put that all together, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that a few times around. 1, 2, 3, 2, when, if we put that together, 2 times round within this shape, 2 times round within this shape, 2 times round leading with the right, 2 times round leading with the left, it creates this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna switch around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we switch around again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have the most basic form of this little pattern. And you can play around with that for hours even, just really feeling yourself get into that meditative space. Once you're really comfortable with it, you can start to move that final pattern, that 1, 2, 3, 4, at the end of each little phrase. You can play it anywhere else on the instrument that you like to make it sound like it's kind of going in, different directions. So you root it in this, and then this last bit can go anywhere that you like. So let's see what that looks like if we start to move it around. 3, 4. Right, we're just moving down the scale. Back to our original. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like that, starting up high. Leave spaces if you want to. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, yeah. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. We can fill it however we like. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I invite you to take that simple pattern and then use that space at the end of each phrase to open your own voice and see what shapes you want to make and what melodies you want to create. I'll just show you an example of how that might work on a different scale. So if I take my other RAV Vast that I have, which is a B Rose, whee! Exactly the same thing, might sound like this. I missed the note. also experiment with changing which notes are actually in that main pattern, like this. So I've changed the shape here now. Just because I prefer that chord on this particular scale. So whatever scale you have, I invite you to try that out on your instrument. See if you can kind of move those little triangle shapes into different areas. You could even have, instead of 2 of them, you could have 3 of them or 4 of them, so you've got a little progression happening. But get creative with it. And yeah, if you fancy sharing any of what you make and you want to post it on Instagram or Facebook or wherever, tag me in it so I can see. If you don't have a RAV yet, but you're interested in buying one, I have a discount if you check the link in the description. Otherwise, enjoy. See you in the next one.